Have you ever noticed something strange about money? Some people earn more every year, yet somehow feel poorer every year too. They upgrade their phone, upgrade their car, upgrade their lifestyle, but peace of mind never seems to upgrade with them. And the strangest part, most of them are doing exactly what they were told would work. Study hard, get a good job, earn more money, and everything will eventually feel secure. Yet for millions of people, it never does. If you've ever felt like you are working harder but moving nowhere financially, stay with me for a few minutes. Because this channel exists for one reason: to quietly explain what most financial advice completely misses. Hi, I am Buck, and I've spent a long time observing how humans behave around money. You won't find shouting here. No market hype. No predictions about the next stock exploding tomorrow. No pressure to become rich overnight. Just calm explanations about why smart people still struggle financially, and how small decisions quietly shape entire futures. Because the truth is something most people never hear. Most financial problems are not math problems. They are behavior problems. Somewhere along the way, money stopped being a tool and became a performance. People started spending to feel secure, saving to feel responsible, investing to feel intelligent, and comparing constantly without realizing it. Money slowly turned into something emotional instead of practical. But very few people were ever taught how money actually behaves over time. Not emotionally, not socially, not psychologically. That's what this channel is about. Understanding money, the way patterns understand seasons. Slowly, patiently, and predictably. Think about school for a moment. You probably learned formulas you no longer remember, historical dates you rarely use, scientific facts that never affected your daily decisions. But nobody explained why income increases don't always create wealth, why debt feels normal even when it quietly limits freedom, or why financial stress follows people across income levels. We send people into adulthood financially untrained and then blame them for struggling. You see people earning six figures living paycheck to paycheck. You see others earning modest incomes, building quiet stability. The difference is rarely intelligence. It's understanding systems instead of symptoms. And most finance content talks only about symptoms. Spend less, earn more, budget harder, helpful ideas, but incomplete explanations. Because if information alone solved money problems, everyone watching finance videos would already be wealthy. Clearly, something deeper is happening. Buck Invest was created as a different kind of finance space, not faster advice, slower understanding. Here, we explore questions most channels rush past. Why does lifestyle inflation feel unavoidable? Why do people chase status even when it hurts them financially? Why does financial anxiety persist even after income rises? And why do financial mistakes repeat across generations, even when information is everywhere? You'll notice something about this channel. We don't chase trends. We study patterns. Because markets change, technology changes, platforms change, but human behavior around money barely changes at all. Fear, comparison, convenience, short-term comfort. These forces quietly shape financial lives more than any spreadsheet ever could. On this channel, we'll explore ideas like why looking successful can delay real success, the psychology behind keeping up with others, the hidden cost of convenience in modern life, why stability often feels boring, yet wins long-term, and how small financial habits compound into either freedom or stress, not through complicated jargon, but through stories, patterns, and clear thinking. Because wealth rarely arrives dramatically, it accumulates quietly while nobody is paying attention. And once you begin seeing these patterns, something interesting happens. You can't unsee them. You start noticing how decisions connect, how small choices repeat, how financial outcomes are often predictable years in advance, long before people realize where they're heading. Buck isn't here to tell you what to buy, or promise outcomes, or pretend tea here is a shortcut, because shortcuts are usually just delayed consequences. This channel is simply a calm observer sharing what careful attention reveals, that financial confidence doesn't come from chasing opportunity, but from understanding trade-offs, from recognizing signals most people overlook, from making decisions your future self quietly. Thanks you for. And here is something important. If you've ever felt behind, confused, or unsure about money, you are not alone. You were never supposed to figure this out without guidance. Most people aren't bad with money. They were just never shown how the system actually works. So consider this channel an ongoing conversation, a place to slow down, think clearly, and understand money without pressure or noise. A place where financial growth feels calm instead of urgent, where progress is measured in understanding, not hype, and where building wealth starts with changing how you see money itself. If this perspective resonates with you, stay for the next video, because we're going to begin with a question almost everyone asks at some point. Why do people who earn more often feel poorer? Until then, remember this: money rarely changes lives overnight, but understanding it often does. I'll see you soon.